We've seen a lot of, kumbaga, mga pinupursige na mga benepisyo para sa senior citizens. Kasama na po dyan yung mga discounts nila sa mga several establishments. Pero aside from those po, what are the other clamors na nakikita po natin na gusto pong ihatid pa, no, o ipahatid ng mga senior citizens from the government?
Well, Angela, I want to emphasize on the non-monetary. Baka matulungan nyo kami na mapaabot sa lahat ng senior citizen. Kasi may allocation na 43 billion last year for the annual regular check-up ng lahat ng senior citizens. At pag hindi nalaman ni senior citizen at hindi nagagamit, nasasayang yung social insurance. So I hope that mapalapad natin itong impormasyon na sana every senior citizen ay magkaroon ng annual physical check-up that includes oral, optical, ear, and even geriatric examination. And we actually thank in advance PhilHealth because they have adjusted the amount that will correspondingly address thoroughly the needs of the senior citizen.
Alright.
Yung konsulta.
Oo. So, alright, 43 billion po yan na budget sa sinasabi ninyo, attorney.
Opo.